What's up guys, it is me Zane, back here with another unboxing video. Today, I'm not going to be unboxing stickers, I'm going to be unboxing an actual product. Sorry to pause you guys right there, but before we start this video, I'd like to give a huge thanks to Hypekicks for sponsoring today's video. Hypekicks is a professional online shop that sells high quality replicas of sneakers. They've been doing business since 2008. That's a long time, bro. And they are extremely qualified. They have a very large variety of different types of shoes, and I bet you can't not find one that you want. They literally have everything. I even tried to find something that I thought would be impossible for them to have, and of course they had it. It's also really good because the delivery time is pretty quick because it takes only 5 to 7 days for your shoes to be delivered. They also have a wide variety of different payment options, such as some very unique ones like PayPal and Western Union. And if you're like me, you only have a PayPal account, and most companies don't take PayPal. So this company was very, very thoughtful on that. Please, everyone, I want you to go check them out. Maybe even buy a pair of shoes, considering that they're very cheap and they're very nice replicas. So everyone go check them out, and maybe I'll be doing a giveaway on that soon. Go check them out, hypekicks.com. Boom. I've been recently spending a lot of cash coming in from my YouTube revenue. Yeah, and I've been getting a lot of money off my YouTube revenue, and you know what? I work hard. I decided to treat myself to a few little presents, including this shirt. I bought this shirt, and I got this. So if you don't know, I think I mentioned it in at least one video. I am a very big and avid KAWS fan. I'm especially a big fan of his Sesame Street X KAWS collab. And yeah, after I bought the first shirt and after I saw the design, I thought, wow, I really like this whole design and all of his work. And after that, after I bought my first shirt, I just really got into it, and I decided to buy more and more and more. And I really just like his stuff in general. If you've ever seen this figure before, you might associate it with streetwear and hypebeast. I've always seen KAWS's figures everywhere. Just everywhere. On Instagram, houses, and I thought they were really cool, but they're kind of pricey. Also, I believe they stopped making them, so now they're very valuable. I really wanted to add something to have in my room that could be cool and obnoxious. And I was interested in actually buying a KAWS figure, but I wasn't interested in buying a $4,000 one, or I don't know how much they're going for, but they're going for a lot. I was trying to look for one that was cheap enough that I could afford it and that it wouldn't cost me money just to have a plastic figure in my room, but at the same time I wanted to be good quality and look just like it. I went on AliExpress and I looked for a KAWS figure, and I found one that had good ratings and good sizing. I don't know, it looked very good, and I saw people's review photos. It all looked good. It all looked a-okay, authentic, and they were going for $30. And I thought that's a pretty good deal. Let me go ask this guy. Unfortunately, off AliExpress, you can't use PayPal, and you can only use debit card and credit card. I don't have any of those things. I only have PayPal. So I DM'd the guy, because there's a DM feature on AliExpress, so I DM'd the guy asking if he accepts PayPal, and he says, sorry, we can't do that. And I'm like, please, it's my only form of payment. You're gonna lose a customer. And he's like, oh, but according to AliExpress, we can't do that. And I said, but I'll do it privately with you, and I think that'll be fine because you seem legit and you won't scam me. And he's like, yeah, sure, well, I'll give you my email. So he gives me his email. I sent him the money. It was 27 Canadian dollars. I actually noticed that it shipped in pretty quickly considering it was coming from China. Like after maybe a week or 2 weeks, it said that it had arrived in British Columbia. So I'm like, okay, I guess it's coming any day now. And it just came today. And when I got the package, I'm like, no. It's this size. This is not big. I thought it was going to be this size. At least big. Not like big. Because if you didn't know, there's many different sizes of KAWS figures. This is not what I was expecting for $27. Always read the fine print. There are details on the side of every Amazon, AliExpress, Wish, or I don't know. They tell you details on what the actual sizing is, and you have to pay attention to those because not everything that is pictured is actually what you're gonna get. I really did mess up, and I already knew right away that this is not gonna be what I wanted. Look at the side. Anyways, I haven't opened it yet, and we're gonna go see my reaction. So, I really wanted it to be bigger. And I don't even know if they make them in these sizes. Like, I've never seen one this small. Oh, okay. This seems nice. Ah, okay. So, we got the packaging. Pretty nice. It's the KAWS original, what is it? Yeah, it's original fake. It's a KAWS companion original fake packaging. Details are pretty on point. Not much I can say on there except they kind of match the packaging. Yeah, they worked hard. Yeah, every detail is on this. Yeah, every detail. Every single little detail is on this little box. Okay, so let's get into this. Oh, okay. Oh, this is tiny. My first looks and reactions on it, pretty authentic. I'll say it like that. It looks really good detail-wise. I think every single little detail is on this little doll. This looks pretty real. It looks very real. There's no imperfections here right now. No, I don't see any imperfection. Everything is great. So yeah, let's go take it out of this little packaging. Oh, just snapped right off. Okay. Has a smell. Okay, so I like it. So the arms move just like it normally does, and the feet don't, which is normal. Oh. You can turn the feet. Yeah, it's honestly every single little detail is on this little toy. For authenticity, I am in love with this. I love it. For $30, I know I sound like a mega cheapskate right now, but $30 for a toy, and it's this size, and it's not even real. But then again, this guy was really doing me a favor because it was against what he was supposed to do. He was supposed to abide by AliExpress's rules and not do private transactions without using the actual site. I'm very impressed for the most part. It's very nice, I wish it was bigger. In all, I'm very unsatisfied about the price and the size. It's not just, even if it was the size that I want to, it's still very unsettling to hear that you paid for a plastic doll $30. You know, it's kind of stupid, but then at the same time, I really shouldn't be complaining when a real one is like $2,000, and they don't even make these anymore. As you can see at the bottom, it literally says, here, one sec. It says that this was made in 2016. So, even if I were to get a real one, like, these are just hella expensive in general. So, I should be kind of grateful. I believe the sellers removed this product from their shop, so you can't even buy it anymore. But I bet you can look it up. But you can't just look up, like, KAWS figure. You need to look up, like, open edition Medicon toy. Anyways. Oh, my leg died. Perfect timing. I forgot to mention such a crucial part of this video. Guys, we hit 2,000 subscribers. I am so happy and so excited to share with you the good news that probably most of you have all been waiting for. So you know how I've been like collecting stickers for, about a year right now? Because today is the day that I will be giving away half of my sticker collection. It would just be too big to give away everything, and I also want to keep some. So I'm gonna give you exactly half of my sticker collection. So what you need to do to enter this giveaway is to go to the link down below. The link down below will redirect you to this page. All you gotta do is follow the steps so that you can get a chance to win. Enter out all your information and whatnot. Follow those easy steps, and you will give yourself a chance to win half of my sticker giant collection. Yeah, and thank you so much again for 2,000 subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. I just want to give a huge shout out to my friends at school who recently just started out their new YouTube vlogging channel. I want everyone to go check out KP Vlogs with a Z. Go check them out, guys. Show them some love and support. Please subscribe to their channel and show them some love. Thank you guys so much, and peace.